it's ultimately by design, right? That it's so confusing, and like, as you just said, like it's reducing from the voluntary, then you got all the collective, but then even within the voluntary, you don't even know what is actually being produced. And then we've had all these horror stories that Jorge's talked about many, many times about analysts being pressured not to be giving the real shipping flows and what's actually happening. So it's all just basically just a bunch of bollocks. But the thing is, I don't think it's important anyway, because you can keep going on about what OPEC are really supplying, but I think they've massively exhausted this kind of sentiment gauge of whatever production is, or whatever we say it is, you are then going to reflect that view in your trade, and therefore flat price as the sum of risk taking will be XYZ. I think they've exhausted that as much as they can. The fundamentals are starting to eke in, which would be the margins, which would be the stock levels, the inventories. So I think for everyone, if they really want to know what's going on, I think it's not really worth talking about OPEC too much more now. They're always going to be playing their games. You want to be looking at the key physical indicators right now to see if we are actually oversupplied.